Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your channel, Tourist Countries. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. Welcome to Italy. Today, we will talk in an article about the best tourist city in the world in Italy, which is Venice. City of Venice, Italy, is a popular tourist destination. It is known for its unique canals, romantic gondola rides, famous buildings, and delicious Italian cuisine. Tourists flock to Venice to experience its unique culture and beauty. The best way to explore Venice is by foot. The city has many winding streets, bridges, and alleyways that are perfect for exploring. You can also take a gondola ride along the iconic canals, or visit one of the many museums and galleries. For a more adventurous experience, you can take part in an organized boat tour around the canals. These tours allow you to get up close to the city's iconic buildings and landmarks. If you're looking for a bite to eat, Venice has plenty to offer. There are numerous restaurants and cafes scattered throughout the city, so you'll never be stuck for choice. Italian cuisine is particularly popular, with dishes like pizza, pasta, and gelato all available. Venice is a city full of culture and history, and there are plenty of activities to keep you busy. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway or a sightseeing adventure, Venice has something to offer everyone. The city of Venice is one of the most prominent tourist destinations in the state of Italy, and its tourism sector has enjoyed remarkable development over the years. Tourists come from other cities in Italy, the United States of America, the United Kingdom, France, and Germany. It should be noted that tourism in the city of Venice forms an important part of the Italian tourism sector, which is considered one of the most important industries in the country, with a contribution of up to 13% of the gross domestic product, according to Statistics 2017.
And what are the best tourist places in Venice, sir?
Okay. The city of Venice includes many places and attractions, which are: Number 1, Palazzo Ducali. This historic palace was formerly the residence of the Duke of Venice, and it is distinguished by its unique design, which consists of a main courtyard surrounded by a group of arches, and its multiple floors include a large group of decorated rooms and golden staircases. Number 2, San Marco's Basilica. This historic church was built in the ancient Roman era in the year 828 AD, and it is considered the most important church in the city of Venice, and its architecture is distinguished by the magnificent walls built of bricks covered with marble, in addition to the mosaic paintings that decorate the entrances to the church. Number 3, Rialto Bridge. This historic, archaeological bridge connects the two banks of the Grand Canal in Venice, and the construction of its current structure dates back to the period between 1588 to 1591 AD by engineer Antonio da Ponte. Number 4, Museo Corre. This museum is located in the former royal palace, located in Piazza San Marco, in Italian, Piazza San Marco, and includes one of the most valuable paintings in Venice, in addition to many sculptures by Antonio Canova, in English, Antonio Canova, and many other works of art and history.
Wow! Very nice, sir. And what is the best time to visit Venice, sir?
The best time for tourism in Venice depends on what tourist activities the visitor wants to engage in, but in general, the peak season is summer, specifically between June and August. The best time to visit the sights of the city. The best time for sightseeing in Venice is the middle of spring, specifically in the first half of May, when the weather is generally warm, and sightseeing can be visited in the second half of September, coinciding with as temperatures start to drop, and crowds become more crowded than they were in the summer. The best time to visit the Rialto markets. The Rialto markets are located in the oldest neighborhoods of Venice, and this market can be visited in any season, but on Friday and Saturday, it is preferable to go to it before a.m. As for the best time to attend the Carnival, Venice is witnessing the Carnival, which is the largest celebration in Italy, 40 days before Easter, during which many wonderful events are held that meet the tastes of tourists and visitors. As for the best time to ride a boat, you can ride boats and tour the water canals in Venice at any time, but the atmosphere is quieter during the winter, early spring, and late fall, when the congestion and boat traffic decreases.
Wow! Thank you for this beautiful trip in Venice, sir.
You're welcome, Jessica. Thank you for watching.